I look at early 2000s and we're back to tumultuous times again.
9/11 had an impact on all of us. You can ask anybody, where were they when 9/11 happened, and they can tell you exactly. I know I can.
The recession in 2007, and that was majorly traumatic for many people.
The dotcom boom really impacted lifelong learning.
Everything is changing.
Look at how fast the world got the internet. Look at how fast the world adopted things like mobile phones.
We brought fully online programs into Walden, the first fully online programs Walden had. But Walden had about 900 students at the time. If we were going to make an impact, you had to be bigger than that.
The minute I found Walden initially just on the internet, it was clear to me and to Paula and others of our leadership group that this could be really a great fit for us. What I love about an institution like Walden is that they will maintain high standards, but they will give students a chance to succeed, while many institutions are still jealously protecting their brand and reputation in a way that just keeps many people out.
Very exciting time, and you can't underestimate the impact we had as Walden on the rest of the nation. We showed the way. We were the second fully online institution to be accredited. Jones University was first. They're not here any longer. I'll tell you, if we had not been successful in online, the rest of the nation wouldn't have followed.